Hello, hello, hello. Can everyone hear and see me? I don't know what happens with this YouTube thing. It always just stops showing my video. So I have to make new lives. I'm really sorry for that. I'm just waiting for at least 20, 30 people that were in the last meet to be here, and then I'll start. Hello, hello. You all can just drop some messages in the chat. Yeah, PHP is necessary. Yeah. Mark your attendance. Yeah, just go on the WhatsApp group and just check if you are here and joined. 15 have joined. Let's start. Is there any vacancy of machine learning and AI? No, there is no vacancy as of now. No issue, I will learn PHP. Yeah, it's very basic PHP is required. And if in a team of 10 people, three, four people know PHP, it's good. I will reach home by 9. What you all can do is if you are seeing this video after some time after this check round is I'll stop accepting responses after first 100 people have done the submission. So you have the time till then. You can watch this video again and you can submit it. I'll start reviewing all the applications once all 100 people have first 100 people have submitted. Yeah, 42 are live now. Okay, no worries. You can see it. If you are really busy and you can't do it right now, you can't attend this meeting right now, you can stop. You can go and do whatever you are doing, and you can join it tomorrow. But if first 100 people have done it, so just know that. I'll also, I can also reduce the number of applications because I don't think people are gonna join it now. Is there any case of getting selected? What is this? Selected of first 10 to final round. This is the last round. There is nothing beyond this. After this, we'll just ask you questions like where do you live? What salary are you expecting? What experience do you have? And if we match like what you are expecting from us is what we are willing to give you is matches, we'll hire you. Yeah. Yeah, submitting early gives upper hand because I'll see because obviously I would need employees who will submit work faster, right? So they would get an advantage over. Yeah, start kare. It's 7:18. I'll share the link. Okay, let me tell you. There are three questions of PHP. Let me just check once. 47 alive. That's good. That's good. Okay. So there are a total of three questions of PHP that I've asked in section 3 of the form. Make sure you don't use ChatGPT or use any website to answer those questions because if found, you would be eliminated from the tech round. I'll share the assignment on the WhatsApp group. Please let me if I work very hard. I'm a fresher. Yeah, if you have skill, we'll hire you. It's nothing. We'll just see if what we give you as an assignment, you are able to develop that. If you can, yeah, we need that. Okay. So there are three sections in the form. Let me just elaborate what's the assignment. So please give us a decent time perform all the tasks. Okay, so I'm giving you as much time. It's about the competition, right? There are 50 people, around 50 people are watching right now, and around, I guess, around 100 people. Let me see what was the response on the last poll on WhatsApp. Around 75 people were saying that they will attend today. So 75 people were saying they will attend today, and I think 50 of them will submit, right? So first 50 people, if you are top 10 and 50, you will get the job, right? So it's about the time. It's not about the time. I'll start, even if I don't receive 50 applications, I'll start by tomorrow 7:15. You have 24 hours. Before that you can submit it. Are you hiring PHP developer only? Is there any vacancy for Java? There is no vacancy for Java, but we are hiring front end and back end, like full stack developers. What about the UI part? Okay. So let me just tell you about the form. There in the first section, you will be asked some very basic questions like what is your name, what is your city, what is your age, name, city, phone number, and your expected salary. And please be realistic out there. As I saw in the last form, you all entered, I want 8 LPA, 9 LPA, and all. Like, yeah, that's doable, but just be enter a monthly income, and we are not hiring people above 25. So be sure, and below, it's our range is 5 to 25, right? So be realistic while entering the amount. Depend as yourself, know like what salary do you want and what matches your experience, and right. Okay, so first, no, last form was filled by you in internshala, not here, right? So then in the next column we'll ask you about some about the front end skills. You will get the assignment link there. If you click there, you will get what you have to create using php html css and javascript. एंड उसके बाद आपको मिलेगा वहाँ पे, आपको स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड करनी है अपना मोबाइल व्यू में, लैपटॉप व्यू नहीं चाहिए, मोबाइल व्यू में। पार्ट टाइम, यस इट इज पार्ट टाइम। पीएचपी प्रीटी बेसिक पीएचपी चाहिए, माइस्क्ल आता है सबको, तो उसमें बस डेटाबेस से कनेक्ट करना, हमें ज़्यादा हाई एंड नहीं चाहिए। इट्स पार्ट टाइम, या इट्स पार्ट टाइम। सो आई वाज सेइंग, उसके बाद वहाँ पे आपको स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड करनी है। इफ बाय चांस योर कंप्यूटर इज नॉट हेल्पिंग यू, लाइक कुछ दिक्कत आ रही है और आप स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो यू कैन अपलोड 5 स्क्रीनशॉट्स। सो उसकी लेंथ के हिसाब से आप स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लेना कि ऊपर नीचे कर करके। आई हैव जस्ट जॉइन, डिड आई मिस एनीथिंग? नो नो, आई वाज जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाट इज द टेक्निकल राउंड, सब फॉर्म। आई वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग द फॉर्म। 47 are live. Okay. I can only work 3, 4. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We don't need you more than 3, 4 hours a day. It's more than what we need. There's the form. I'll share it at 7:23 exactly, right? So first वहाँ पे आपको एक असाइनमेंट का लिंक मिलेगा। वहाँ पे हमने ऑनलाइन अपलोड कर दिया इमेज। आपको उसको HTML, हाउ टू डू स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग, व्हाट इज दिस, कोडिंग प्रोसेस, ओनली आउटपुट। You have to screen record the output on the browser window, not the code. You have to submit the code as a zip file separately. There are two attachments you have to attach. First is the screen recording or 5 screenshots, and then the zip file of the code that you just did. And then next section would be 3 questions about PHP. One of them is short answer and two of them is long answer. You have to write 3, 4 lines of PHP code. We use frameworks like React. Do you explain screen recording part? Do we need to screen record whole time while working on the assignment? I don't. No, no, no. You don't have to record the whole time. You just have to record after you have coded everything, and just the output window जहाँ पे वो screen दिखती है ना browser में, उसको record करना है. Can I use React? I would not prefer React for UI because we don't read React for our assignment, or our, as a company as a whole, we are not working with React. But if you are very fluent and can do faster than in React, then why not? Sure. But I would suggest not to use React. When do the exam? It's not an exam. It's just a tech round. It starts at 7:30. I'll share that link on WhatsApp. So, is there any other query? Okay, just send it like you last time. No issue. I'm comfortable in both. Okay, then that's good. Where is the form sent? Okay, the form will be shared. I'll share that in chat as well, and I'll share that form as in WhatsApp as well. Submission date. It's as soon as you can do it, because I'll start reviewing when I think no more people are submitting the assignment. Around 50 are live right now. So I think around 50 people submit the form, right? So 50 people, as soon as 45, 50, I'll start reviewing, and people who submit early would get the advantage, because I'll know कि they did the assignment earlier. So I need people who can do things quicker, right? At अगर एक बात बताओ, दो असाइनमेंट आते हैं मेरे पास, दोनों एकदम डिटो सेम है, तो व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया टू जज देम, राइट? कि इसने जल्दी करा, तो आई वुड गिव अ प्रायोरिटी ओवर देम, राइट? 50 लोग आ चुके हैं। स्ट्रीम लैग हो रही है क्या? कैन यू सी मी एंड सी मी? नो सर, you can't see me, or there is no lag? No lag, okay. Just by Selm is similar to OLX. No, not at all. No, OLX is second-hand marketplace. We are commodity. What is the stipend paid, or what is the duration? There is nothing as stipend. You can say whatever you wanna say. It's salary fee, joining fees, whatever you can say it. Only screenshot of output. I would recommend screen recording, but if there is something like your computer doesn't support screen recording, or you can't do it quick, so you can upload 5 screenshots, at least 5 screenshots, right? Stipend would be around 5 to 25,000, in between of that, depending on your experience and what you did, like the assignment and your older projects and your CV and all, judging that. Windows plus Alt plus, yeah, it depends on Mac and Windows. You can share with, you can see on YouTube how to screen record. Is there any other doubts? I was telling about the concept of only screenshot of output. Yeah, the browser window where the code is being, the HTML output is there. No lag, go ahead. Okay. Duration. We need at least 6 months, 4 to 6 months. We are making a team of, like, every day I conduct 3 to 4 meetings. If you know, I conduct web developers, I conduct UI. We have the assignment that I'm gonna give you is from our UI developer, that the person we have hired for designing the app, and you are the ones who are, you're gonna create it. I don't know mobile view. Okay, just open the console, like the inspector tools, developer tools on the browser, and then click the उधर corner में, left top corner में एक mobile icon आ रहा होता है, Chrome में तो ऐसे ही होता है. Where is the form? I'll share it in just a minute, right? 7:30 पे I will share. Share link, shorten URL, copy. Okay, and about the, I was telling you about the JustBuySell. JustBuySell is for commodity trading. If you know the word commodity, is like very basic जो होते हैं ना, raw material, steel हो गया, oil हो गया, and aluminium, rubber. ये जो बहुत commodity level पे चीज़ होती है, ये बहुत बड़े scale में होती है. जैसे steel, if you know, export बहुत बड़े scale में, tons में होता है, thousands kilos. तो तब वेरी छोटे-छोटे रेट्स में, और वो चेंज होते रहते हैं इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स में, कभी ऑयल इज़ ₹70 पर बैरल, कभी 68, 80, 90, ऐसे रेट ऊपर-नीचे होते रहते हैं. तो वी आर अ लाइव मार्केट टू बाय एंड सेल दोज़ कमोडिटीज़. जस्ट बाय सेल इज़ दैट. Only screenshot of output. Yeah, Mohammed Musin, I've told you that screenshot of browser window of output. Where is the form? Do you also have to make another project? This is the one project, right? This is the last project. You don't have to do anything. Okay, 7:30 is now up, and I'll share the link on the WhatsApp. Just everyone go through the form once and let me know if there is some doubt. I have shared it in chat as well. I've pinned it. Got the link. This is the form you have to submit. What tech stack will we use in the project? I would suggest use pretty basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And if you want, and the PHP questions you have to answer in PHP only. But if you are, if you want to, you are fluent in any of those, just use Bootstrap if you want to, Tailwind, SCSS. I would prefer it to be vanilla HTML, just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But if you are fluent in one of those, so you can use it. You can use CSS, SCSS, jQuery, whatever you wanna do. It's fine. Is there, just go through the form once and let me know if there is some doubt. There is some doubt. Have you all got the project? What you have to make, the URL for that, the link for that, right? Like it's a PDF. Hello, hello. What assessment do we have to make? It is the, I'll share that assessment link here as well. Okay, this is the one for mobile screen. Yeah, only mobile screen. I don't want laptop, like desktop screen, right? Only mobile screen would work. This is the link for the assignment that you have to make in HTML, right? And make sure, I would also ask you to make it responsive in mobile views. There is 500 bit वाला मोबाइल भी होता है, 700 वाला भी होता है, 300 वाला भी होता है. So make sure that it is responsive in all of them. The screenshot is different from the earlier one. Yeah, that was a sample one, right? That was supposed to be just a demo for what kind of image we would give you, right? What is the submission deadline? 7:30 tomorrow. I'll start reviewing all the applications. But as soon as you submit it, it's better for you. You would get more, preference because you will submit it earlier. It's gonna take time. Uh, I know it's a tough one because it's a bigger screenshot. You have time till tomorrow, right? It's not gonna take you beyond 3 to 4 hours. I don't think that's gonna take you beyond 3 to 4 hours. So the PDF is not opening in mobile. It should open. Just click the link I just shared. I'll share it again. Is there any need to be in this live now? If you have no issues, you can leave this live. But I am here till 8. If you have any issues, you can come back to this live and ask me any query you have, or you can drop in the official technical round WhatsApp group. At least 8 hours. Mm. Okay, try till tomorrow. Try till tomorrow 7:30. See how much can you develop, and if it's beyond, because this is what we are gonna expect from you to create it in a day, right? So this is a type of day one of your job here. Is there any reference for desktop view? Also, it will big help. No, there is no desktop view. You don't have to make any desktop view. You just have to build the mobile view only. That's all. I'm here till 8. If you have any queries, you can come back, or else you can leave this meet live or whatever you want to call it. I don't know mobile view CSS. It's pretty much same. It's CSS is same for mobile and laptop, right? Can we use React for this or any library, Bootstrap or Tailwind? I would not suggest React, but you can use Bootstrap and Tailwind. It can be made by tomorrow. Yeah, 24 hours is because when you are when you are employed under us, and you are, uh, we'll give you work. So we'll expect you to build this in a day. It's doable if you, use 2 days, today and tomorrow, 3 hours. It's not beyond that, I guess. Sir, give us 15-16 hours to submit, and then we can sort us based on the time and work. Yeah, definitely. I'm giving you 24 hours, right? 7:30 tomorrow PM. I want to know about the bottom navigation. What about the bottom navigation? Let me just Open the. Okay, what about the bottom navigation? Oh, okay, it's just a scroll, right? If you add elements, it will scroll. There's nothing as bottom navigation. Is it all that we have to build? Yeah, it's that's all, and it's not short. It's a big kind of project. So yeah, shall we need to use PHP for functionality or just be front end? You can use front end because PHP would be hard for you to, you have to build a local server and then local server and all. I was thinking that we have to make that UI of the screenshot and made it. Yeah, some of you also made the screenshot of that sample thing. So I told you, one was Shashank made it, and two, three people more made it, and I told them in chat that it was a sample. Can I use Next.js? No, I would not suggest, but if you are okay with it, you can. It's making things complex. You can just use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and it would be easier. I also made it. Yeah, we just have to build the UI, or it should also be functional using. No, 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 just the UI. For now, just the UI. We have to build the bottom navigation or not. What is bottom navigation? What do you mean by bottom navigation? The footer, the home, discover? Okay, you are asking if you have to build other tabs for that footer thing. No, 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 just the home tab. You have to build the bottom navigation. No, like you have to make it scroll, right? You have to build all the elements. Before what time you have to submit? 7:30 tomorrow. You have 24 hours to submit it. You can start to join like leaving this live if you don't have any queries. It's hard to find the same icons that are used, so can we use similar icons for placeholders? I would share. I can suggest you one thing. You can go to this thing called Font Awesome. It provides library. It's a library that provides icon, or you can use that. Or there is one Bootstrap icons also, B icons. You can use them. You can just search Font Awesome CDN, and then it is a CSS and JavaScript file imported in a copy that in your HTML file, and then you can use like icons. It would give you a HTML tag to use icons in the place. That's how you can do it. Or you can take small screenshots of the images of the PDF I gave you, use it as images there. You can do it. What if I made the complete project and I had issue in PHP test? So will I pass or fail? It depends on how fluent, it's everything would be taken in consideration. If you're not good in PHP, if you are very good in HTML, then it would compensate. But if you are decent in HTML, but you don't know PHP, then we can't um adjust that. If you are good in very, very, very good in HTML, and you are like, I don't know much of PHP and I am not good at PHP, I don't even know PHP at all, so then we can compensate. And you made HTML website very fast, right? In 2 or 3 hours you submit the project, and then I'll be like, okay, this person knows HTML and front end very well. But if he needs support in PHP and backend, we can uh, group up in a team which is good in PHP, and you can delegate your tasks to PHP developer. And there is nothing as PHP test. You just have to submit 3 or 4 queries at all. 3 queries. So 2 queries and one very simple short answer. That's doable, I guess. What if the icons which are in image are a bit different than another? Works. I would like it to be similar, but you can use similar icons. If I don't want exact similar icons, right? But it should make sense. You can use any icon. It's not that I want this exactly, stocks, gold, bonds, mutual funds. You don't have to make the exact same icon. You can use any icon. User icon होता है ना, जो ऐसा एक बंदा ऐसा होता है, वो वाला भी चलेगा, कुछ भी चलेगा. I just want it to be icon, right? There are some rows which can be scrolled horizontally, like the one with HDFC. Yeah, do we also need to do it? You can make two of them, and then it will, make it. You can just make one. It is easy. You can just make one. Like HDFC Bank वाली जो आप कह रहे हो ना, Tata Steel, HDFC, just make two of them, and then I know it can scroll easily. It's no big deal. UI ठीक है इसका ऐप का, because we have to finalize the UI developer as well. If you like the UI, it's good, right? If I'm using React, then you have to select me or not. If I'm using React, I would not suggest you to use React because it makes things complex, and I don't want our app or website that we build to be complex for no reason. React is basically used to build यूजर बेस्ड एप्स. लाइक फेसबुक में हर एक यूजर की अपना होम स्क्रीन होती है, राइट? एक टैग होता है, उसका होम स्क्रीन होती है, यूजर नेम होता है. तो देन रिएक्ट इज यूजफुल टू मेक यूजर बेस्ड एप्स. बट हमारा इज नॉट दैट. वी डोंट वांट टू कॉम्प्लेक्स, लाइक फालतू में कॉम्प्लिकेट थिंग्स. सो आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट यू टू यूज रिएक्ट. But if you only can use React, you don't know how to use vanilla HTML. It's not possible that you don't know vanilla HTML. But if that's the case, I could accept it. But थोड़ी सी preferability कम हो जाएगी आपके लिए, because you're using React. So we have to make it like scrolled. Yeah, हो जाएगा वो. उसको एक CSS कोड होता है. It's visible. नहीं नहीं. What is it called? Scroll होता है. Overflow scroll. ओवरफ्लो बाय स्क्रॉल. वो ओवरफ्लो एक्स यूज करोगे, बिकॉज ऐसे ऐसे फ्लोर है ना. ओवरफ्लो एक्स वुड बी स्क्रॉल. हेलो. You're saying font awesome is asking for premium. It is asking for premium for font awesome 6. You can use font awesome 5. It is free, or even if it's not free, you can just search font awesome CDN on the internet. It's There's a link by this website called CDNJS. It's a very popular website for APIs and this CDNs. So just search CDNJS का, उसका लिंक आता है सबसे टॉप में. You can use it, and वो वाली अगर आप CSS इंपोर्ट करोगे अपने उसमें HTML फाइल में, तो फ्री में हो जाएगा काम. About the number of vacancies, as of now, there are 9 to 10 vacancies, right? So I'll select out of your all submissions, I'll select 9 to 10 people. Yeah. Just yeah, you just have to build the front page, that right. Let me just tell you, the home page, right, where all these sections are there. You just have to build that. Nothing. You don't have to build the discover or portfolio or watch list or learn. You don't have to build those four tabs. Just the home page. Yeah, you just have to build one of them. It's fine if the second one, or you can just make one and copy the code of that, and it would be two. It will be scrollable, right? That's fine. Same like that only. We have to redo another one also. Not asking that. I'm asking that we have to make till top stocks. Let me check. No, you have to build entire page, including trending, including popular courses, community journal, everything. Not just till top stocks. And same like, yeah, you can make it scroll. If you add more elements, it will scroll automatically. Same like that only, or do we do another one also? What do you mean by that? You can, if you want to save time, I would like it to be different, but if you want to save time, you can just make one of the item in the scrollable items and then copy it. So, you can use it to scroll. For PHP is compulsory. For job, yes. For the assignment, no. For job, you need to know PHP. Yeah, you can leave the meet if you want.